Upon receiving the product, you will get the following items. Locate the headlight mounting bracket, license plate mounting bracket, and corresponding screws and washers from the accessory pack. Align the screw holes on the license plate mounting bracket and headlight mounting bracket with the top screw holes on the front fork mounting bracket. As shown in the video, place washers onto the screws. Screw them into the corresponding holes. Locate the screws and nuts for securing the headlight. Align the headlight screw holes with the mounting bracket screw holes. Install the screws from the outer side. Install the nuts from the inner side. After adjusting the headlight angle, then tighten the screws. Place the handlebars onto the lower stem clamp. Locate the upper stem clamp and corresponding bolts in the accessory kit. Align the bolt holes on the upper and lower stem clamps. Then install the screws. Adjust the handlebar angle, then tighten the screws. Align the arrows on the waterproof plug of the headlight power cable with its corresponding position and insert it fully. Remove the front wheel axle shaft. Align the front wheel bearing hole with the fork axle shaft mounting hole. When installing the axle shaft, ensure the shorter shaft is fitted on the opposite side of the brake disc, while the longer shaft is fitted on the same side as the brake disc. Install the washer and flange nut. Tighten the flange nut. Remove the brake pad retainer. Remove the 2 brake caliper screws. Install the brake disc into the caliper slot. Align the caliper screw holes with the corresponding holes on the fork, then secure with screws. Tighten the front brake caliper mounting screws. Loosen the screw on the brake wire clamp at the left front fork. Install the front brake wire protector and the protector limiter in place. Adjust the position of the brake wire protector limiter. Install the brake wire protector limiter onto the front brake wire clamp. Tighten the brake wire clamp screw. Remove the 3 front fender mounting screws located below the front fork mounting bracket. Align the lower screw holes of the fender with the fender mounting screw holes. Install the front fender mounting screws. Tighten the screws. Install the front brake wire to the brake wire mounting position on the license plate as shown in the video. Fit the protrusion below the license plate into the license plate mounting hole on the front fender. Organize the other wires as shown in the video. Align the screw holes of the license plate with the screw holes on the license plate mounting bracket. Install and tighten the license plate mounting screws. Remove the screw from the upper mounting hole of the rear shock absorber. Lift the dirt bike as shown in the video. Lift the dirt bike until the screw at the lower mounting hole of the rear shock absorber is fully exposed. Remove the screw and the mounting bracket from the lower mounting. Hole of the rear shock absorber. Position the rear shock absorber as shown in the video. Align the mounting holes of the rear shock absorber with the frame's mounting holes. Install the rear shock absorber mounting screw. Install the mounting screw on the opposite side. On the opposite side, install the washer and nut. Tighten the rear shock absorber mounting screws separately. Remove the two mounting screws from the footrests. Identify the footrest orientation. Install and tighten the footrest mounting screws. Repeat the process for the other side. Adjust the brake lever to the desired angle. Tighten the brake clamp mounting screw. Repeat the process for the opposite side. Adjust the display to the desired angle. Tighten the display mounting bracket screws. This is the charging port. To remove the charging plug, first rotate the waterproof ring counterclockwise before pulling it out. Insert the key and rotate it clockwise to power on the dirt bike. The system defaults to P mode upon startup. Squeeze and hold the brake levers to lift P mode. Press the plus and minus buttons to toggle the gear setting. Higher gears deliver higher power output. Press M to switch the display modes. While powered on, press and hold both plus and minus buttons together to access the background settings. Use plus and minus to select the password digits. Press M to confirm. Zero 1 adjusts the display brightness settings. 02 switches between kilometer per hour and mph units. 1 is mph. 0 is kmh. 03 sets the auto activation time for P mode when the dirt bike is stationary. The number represents minutes. 04 sets the maximum speed limit. The highest speed is capped at 60 kilometers per hour, and any value above 60 will maintain the maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour. 05 sets the wheel hub diameter. After completing the settings, wait for a moment. The background interface will automatically exit to the normal display mode. Other button functions are as follows.